So guys, we are all set for Kanyakumari and we are starting right now. So we've got one Dominar and no bye. So guys, we have started for Kanyakumari. This is the Kanyakumari series coming up, and today first day we are going to reach Chennai. So that is the milestone, and let's see by what time we'll be reaching Kanyakumari. So we've got two guys there, and we've got two guys in the back side. Then we've got one Dominar in batch, and in Pondicherry we'll be meeting two more riders who will be joining us from Bangalore. So basically the plan is make a whole circle kind of. We are not touching the same place twice is the plan, so let's go. I think there's one good thing happening about this time vlogs. So I have got an external mic thanks to Lucky Reddy. So the audio clarity, I strongly believe, seems to be very good in the videos. Let's see how it turns up after we post the videos. Lucky is looking special today, right? With that Rhinox gear in the back, and the chain sprocket looks golden to me because of the lighting, and his Orazo shoe. Special. Lucky is special, bag. I think after his crash in Srisailam, he started driving normally. Oh! Time for hazard lights.
Guys, we are here at M Grill. पहली बार आए M Grill को. The last time we went, it was something close to the next one. I don't remember the name.
A few moments later.
So we have finally completed our lunch. Sorry, not lunch. What? Breakfast. I have completed our breakfast here at N Grill. So we always wanted to come here, but we couldn't make it. So the next stop will be far away from here. We are not going to stop anywhere in middle because we are heavy. Our bikes are heavy and our heads are very heavy. The last time we went to Godavari and now we are covering Krishna river. So guys, this is Krishna river. Wow. Well, we got some fishing boats over there, but they are just idle. Nobody is there. It's still 9:40 in the morning. I think they have finished their jobs already. Good Krishna view from here. All of this, I don't know where this goes, but only if I could find a boat. Okay, let's see if I can cross that. Probably I want to see that side also. Oh, this is not worth jumping. Oh my god, I thought I can go to that side, but no. Oh. నీకు హైలైట్ తెలుసా నేను ఆ బ్రిడ్జ్ చూద్దామని దూకుదాం అనుకున్నా సో వీ స్టార్టెడ్ టు నెల్లూరు ద నెక్స్ట్ స్టాప్ విల్ బి నాట్ ఎనీవేర్ సూన్ ఇట్ విల్ బి నెల్లూరు సో మై బాయ్స్ హ్యావ్ లెఫ్ట్ అహెడ్ ఇట్ స్టార్టెడ్ స్వెట్టింగ్ సో ఐ హ్యాడ్ టు రిమూవ్ మై thermal liner.
One eternity later.
So the second stop is also done. We are currently at Nellore Grand, Hotel Nellore Grand, and we are done with our lunch. Feeling a little sleepy. Let me check my pockets first. They were open all day morning. Intercom on, check. One very good thing about riding to Chennai was that the whole stretch of road was this good. I mean, this good and with 6 track, which means you get 3 lanes on each side. Chennai 181. Penna River. Where is Penna River? Oh, so this was supposed to be a river which then dried up. So this is Penna River. I don't see any water in the Penna River. Very little water in the Penna River. No water at all. बचपन में पढ़ते थे पेन्ना रिवर बोल के रिवर बोले तो सारा इतना सारा वाटर रहना है बट हार्डली देयर इज एनी वाटर हियर क्या कर रहे हैं हम व्हाट आर वी डूइंग विद नेचर वरीज मी मैन just like he asked. He wanted a petrol pump and a tea point side by side. I think we got it. So this is Tamil Nadu border. We happen to see a board there saying welcome to Tamil Nadu. I don't know what they are constructing, but there are many diversions in this part of the road. In this part of the state, I mean. Is this a signal or a traffic jam? Oh my god, it looks like a traffic jam. हाईवे पे भी ट्रैफिक जाम होता है रे? Oh, that is the reason. Diversion ahead. Oh, finally! I did not think we'll make it to the beach today. So luckily, we got a road that passes right beside the beach, and if you see, this is all the beach. My Tamil friend from Singapore, please tell me what this means, because Tamil people here doesn't seem to know any other language other than Tamil. Everything is in Tamil.
What